Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Picolos Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I have lots of awesome new items to share with you. Tons of brand new Christmas items, some fall items that I haven't even seen before yet, and even some books and some other random items. So let's get started. So these little adorable turkeys, I found them at only one store. I go to a lot of different Dollar Trees to do my hauls, and I only found these at one of my stores so far. They are so cute. I've seen them in people's hauls, but I was so super excited to find them. They were actually on an end cap at the register, so I don't know if that helps, but that's where they were in this one particular store. So I got two of them. And then this, also, Hello Fall. I do not remember this print. I don't know if it's brand new. I think it's brand new. I mean, maybe it's from last year, or maybe it's been around and it just finally got unpacked at my local Dollar Tree. But look how beautiful this one is. I absolutely love it with the blue truck, the farmhouse, the falling leaves. So beautiful. They only had one 2-pack left and then one oven mitt. So I took them both. I also found this right here. It says thankful, grateful, and blessed. These are those really nice stitch and weft towels, and I bought 2 sets of these. I think they're so beautiful with the black and white. And the other side has the larger dots. I bought one of these for myself, and actually one of these for you guys. I'm going to be including it in my 500 subscriber giveaway, which I cannot wait to do the video for that. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I actually saw my community tab for the first time today, so very exciting. Definitely going to be utilizing that and posting on that a lot. But yeah, this is one of the items in that upcoming giveaway. So now let's focus on all the new Christmas items I found. Oh my goodness, they're so awesome. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And then we'll finish off with some more fall and books and things like that. But so let me show you a couple of these Christmas items. I found these adorable little owl ornaments. They are so cute. This one has more of a bronzy gold, and this one has more of a like lighter white speckled chest. But they're so cute. I love them, and I love all the detail too with the pics right there. So I bought both of those, and I saw these little adorable signs. I haven't seen these. This is definitely new this year, at least new to me. North Pole, Merry Christmas. And this is solid wood. Like, it's not like a cheap little, it's not like a thin little sign. Of course, the back is bare too. So if you wanted to do a DIY on this side, that way you could utilize both sides. You could totally do that. And this one too. Oh my goodness. Happy holidays. I love that. It's so beautiful. So perfect with the red truck and the tree. I just think they nailed it, and you can see that there's a total shimmer from the glitter right there. So very exciting. Now I have another bag. Let's see, where do I say? Oh yes, these little snowmen, so adorable. There were a couple of different ones, so I got this one, and then I got the other style as well, which is right here. So one with a red hat, and then this one has like the little like top hat that's black. So cute. Now I have some stickers. I found some cute little DIYs and stickers. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. Like, I love these stickers. Look, you can see that there are a couple different designs in here as well. These are the felt stickers. I love these. It's a 9-piece. They're ornaments. And then little Santas. I might have seen something similar to this last year, but I don't think I hauled it. So that's a 4-piece. These are amazing. Look how beautiful those are. So pretty. Snowflakes. Cute little snowflakes. That's an 8-piece. And then this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at these little gingerbread boys and girls. There's some with the little bows in the hair. And then the boys have the little bow tie. How adorable is that? So cute. And these are awesome. So look, they come with the little markers, like the typical DIY kits we're used to seeing from Dollar Tree, but this time they made them into little ornament packages. How cute. So I got 2 of the gnomes right there. So cute. I love them. And Johnny and I are going to have a blast doing this. So there's 3 in each pack. So yeah, there's a Santa as well. I'm not really sure. I thought that I put it in the cart, but maybe I didn't. Maybe I was just thinking I would do the gnomes this year, but definitely if you see these, scoop them up quickly, because I bet you when I go back to the store next time, I won't find the Santa. I'm hoping I will. Maybe I can haul it for you, but definitely keep an eye out for these. And I do show these items and a lot of these items in either a longer form of a walkthrough or a shorts walkthrough. So I've been putting up a lot of mini walkthroughs in my shorts, as well as some longer walkthroughs. So you will get to see these products in the store as well. So super exciting. Okay, now this one, I was really happy to find. I actually saw that Casey, Cozy with Casey, hauled this. She found this at one of her stores. And I was like, oh my goodness, wish list, wish list, wish list. So I found it. I'm so excited. I just think it's beautiful with the blue leaves and the pumpkins. They're almost like a bluish green leaf, and then the pumpkin as well. Just gorgeous. So I had to buy this. And I got a Halloween item. I decided to get the treat bags. This is a 6-pack. I actually already took it apart and used one of them because I decided that I thought these would be cute to put my husband's snacks in for when he takes his lunches and snacks to work. So that's what I got these for. They're so adorable though. They have several different designs as well. This is just the one that I decided to get. Okay, now I found these, and these are definitely brand new this year. There might have been some, actually there was a similar print last year where it, the gnome was blue, and it was like a blue background. So the gnome was blue and there was just a whole blue theme in it. But this one right here is the classic red with white and green. Chilling with my gnomies. And then this one, Season's Greetings from our gnome to yours. Now, what I can say about these is they feel different than previous Dollar Tree microfiber towels. I know they're not my favorite. It just feels funky. These don't really have that sticky effect that was like 2 years ago. They're a little bit more similar to the ones that they put out last year, where they were still kind of sticky, but I don't know, they just didn't give me that ick factor when I touched them as the ones a couple years ago did. However, you can almost feel that this is smooth right here, almost like the way, it's almost like an iron-on. So you feel like an iron-on on a shirt. That's what the design actually feels like. But still, it's really, really cute for a decorative towel. I thought that they would be perfect in like the bathroom or the kitchen, just paired with a pop of another color. So if you see these again, definitely scoop them up. When I went back the next day, they were gone. So they are definitely popular. Okay, so that's basically it for the seasonal items. Now I'm going to show you a couple other wish list and hot items that I had found that were new to me, maybe not new to you, but still pretty cool. I was glad I found them. I did show these in a walkthrough a couple of weeks ago, but I didn't buy them. So this time when I saw them in the store again, I decided to buy them. So I got the Jim Beam Bourbon Vanilla Coffee. I'm sure it'll be quite interesting. I don't know. I might even have to make a video about trying these because I don't know, but I got it. I said, why not, right? It's $1.25. Can't beat that for coffee. So, and then I got this one too. Everybody's raving about this. I don't know. The videos that I have seen, I've seen several people review this and say it's really, really good. So, Most Fabulous Brooklyn Blend Medium Roast Ground Coffee, and it's by Juniors. I love that it has fabulous in there. That really sealed the deal for me. And I have another one of the Jim Beam ones in here. Sorry that they're out of order, and this is the original. So we'll see, right? It can't hurt to try it. And I hauled this Spick and Span. I got the green one and I love it. I mean, first of all, for $1.25, you cannot beat that. I showed these also in a short, and I believe in a walkthrough or maybe in an upcoming walkthrough. But what an amazing deal. $1.25 for this. And they even have the refills available in different like colors, so you know that they have a different fragrance to them. But this is Antibacterial Cleaner, and it's my new favorite product, the green one. I use it all the time, and it's so good. So I am very happy that I got the purple one as well. I did go to a different Dollar Tree and haul several other colors and brands and things like that. So I'm going to show those in a different video because it was a totally different Dollar Tree haul. But last couple of items. Now these are not brand new in the fact that, so these are not exactly brand new. However, I saw them last year and then they disappeared. So they're kind of new where they reappeared on a pre-pack for me in my store. And this is a tea tree oil roll-on. So I'm really excited to try that because there's so many amazing properties that tea tree has to offer. And then this one right here, Peppermint. Now, I love this product. It, unfortunately, I had it for almost a year, and right towards the end of the year, before I found this again, it did go rancid, so I had to throw it out, and I was so, so sad because I didn't know if I'd find it again. This was amazing. I get migraines and headaches and all kinds of things, and I'm not giving medical advice here, but what I would do is when I would get a headache or sinus or anything like that, I like peppermint. I think it's kind of relaxing. I like peppermint. It just has always helped me with that, and I would just put it right here, and it would kind of like help clear it up. I don't know. So that's what I would do. And I love this. So I love to keep this on hand just with, especially with the winter coming and migraines and headaches and seasonal allergies and all that. I'm so, so happy I found this. So yeah, I mean, I would give it a try if you see it at your store for $1.25, even if you don't want to use it for that particular reason. It smells like legit straight up peppermint. I mean, it's aromatherapy and it's all natural, so it's totally worth trying if you like essential oils and things like that. Okay, so now into some books. I showed these also in a short, but I just wanted to highlight them because a lot of times it's weird. Like the shorts go out to people that are not subscribed because they go on the shorts reels. So a lot of new people to my channel see those and come to my channel. For a few guys, you don't always get to see them, I don't think. But a lot of times, I don't know if you guys are seeing them or not. So, because it's just the way that the algorithm works and all that. But yeah, look at this. Hardy Boys books. I was in shock when I saw these. Actually, I might have even put these in a walkthrough. Now that I think about it, I might have showed them in that as well. This is amazing. $1.25 for these. I was so, so psyched. I mean, these have been around from back in the day when I was a kid, probably even from before that. Hardy Boys, just such a classic, and where I have a son, amazing. So, and they are the Secret Files Hardy Boys. There's the 1 through 4. So this is an awesome way for us to try these books and see if Gianni likes them. Definitely keep an eye out for these if you can find these guys. Like, what a great deal with Christmas coming, even Toys for Tots bins and stuff like that. I think this is awesome. First 4 books in the set, so I was so happy to find these. Okay, last item, kind of random, but I needed it. I should have went to Staples to buy the huge pack of printer paper, but I just didn't have it in me. I was already at Dollar Tree, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna get these. So it's a 24 pack. It does have, obviously it's decorative. It's not 100% white, but still it will get the job done. 24 pieces, like I said, not the best deal, but where it's decorative, I can use it for crafting as well. And then I got this one, which is a 30 count, and it has different colors in it. So, I mean, it is what it is, but I figured that I would show it because they have tons of beautiful decorative printer papers there, and even these are pretty cool. For the $1.25, you don't necessarily find bigger packs of ones like this with designs. So if you're looking for crafting or cards or things like that, definitely worth scooping up. And these are the last 2 items in my haul today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys like the items that I found. Let me know what your favorite items are. And if you have any wish list items that you found in today's haul, definitely let me know what they are. I always love reading the comments and seeing like what your opinions are on the different items. I'm so excited though. I cannot wait to see the rest of the Christmas line once they launch it and get it actually put out in the stores. I mean, we all see the boxes and the empty shelves, but we know it's coming. So I cannot wait to see if this is a preview. I think it's going to be a really fun year. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.